Hi guys, welcome to a new video of RTC. Today we are going to make a dark sensing robot, and for that we need the witblox kit, and we need the power module, one dark sensor, and for power supply the battery, and yes, the body of the robot also. And you can see in the description that how to make this body of the robot. Now what we need to do is just to connect all these blocks, and then the robot will be ready. So connect the power module to the dark sensor, and then the two motor drivers should be connected one by one. And we place the battery here, then connect it to the power module, and our robot is ready. So our robot is ready now, and let me turn the power on. Oh, it started working, but we have to change the intensity of the LDR using this potentiometer given here. And see, now it's turned off, and whenever my shadow is falling on the LDR, it starts working. So with this we have completed another robot using the witblox robotics kit, and then we will try to make something new using all these blocks and kits. If you like the video, then please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get instant notifications from on your phone.